Exercises for the prevention of pain in the lumbar spine. Repeat after me. And for this you will need such a long towel. So, what are we doing? You need to lie down on your stomach, pass a towel through your leg, lift your leg up as much as possible with your left hand, and make this movement with your right hand, grab the towel, while simultaneously making a lateral tilt towards the horizontal plane. And you should feel how your entire right half of your body stretches, especially the square muscle of the lower back, that is, the lower back. You have to pull yourself up and be in this state, in this position for 30-40-50 seconds. Who can do as much as they can? Then we relax. And after 15 to 20 seconds, we do the lumbar tension again. There should be 5, 10, 15 such approaches. Do these exercises 2 or 3 times a day and then your lower back will thank you. Remember that most of the problems associated with lower back pain, they are hidden in the square muscle, the lower back. And if you pull it out and work through it in every possible way, then to a greater extent you will most likely not have any more. But, of course, this exercise is not enough for back health. You also need to do morning exercises, afternoon exercises, evening exercises. But this exercise is a good help for working out the lumbar spine. We're trying. Ms. Bychkov was with you.